We now discuss questions which are asked from the subject transducers for test series 6 for IN. So the first question is for 1 mark and it is from the topic resistive transducers. So we'll go through the question first. So a thermistor is employed in an op-amp circuit as shown below in the given diagram. So it is connected in the feedback path. So here you can see a bias current of 2 microampere. So this is IB1 equal to 2 microamperes and IB2 is equal to 5 microamperes, which are being drawn by the op-amp. So this is my op-amp, so which is drawing a bias current for the transistors which are inside the op-amp to bias it. So the currents are 2 microamperes and 5 microamperes respectively, and the thermistor is employed in the feedback path. So we are asked to find what is the output offset voltage of the amplifier at 27 degrees centigrade. So we know that there is an offset voltage that will be created by the op-amp. So because of the thermistor characteristics, what is the offset at 27 degrees centigrade for the given circuit? So we are asked to find what is V output, which is the offset voltage. So we know that the offset voltage is given as the base current which is drawn by the op-amp multiplied by the feedback resistor. Here the feedback resistor happens to be the thermistor. So we are asked, we now have to calculate what is the thermistor resistance at 27 degrees centigrade. So at 27 degrees centigrade, so we know that the resistance of the thermistor is given by the relation R naught into e power beta 1 by T minus 1 by T naught. So R naught initial temperature, initial resistance is 100 ohms and beta is given as 3000 Kelvin. So I substitute all the quantities 1 by T, so I have to convert all into Kelvin. So 27 is also converted into Kelvin by adding it by 273 degrees centigrade. So 1 by 300 minus 1 by 350, which is 273 plus 77 degrees centigrade. So on simplifying, I get the resistance of the thermistor at 27 degrees as 417.27 ohms. So now I have calculated the resistance of the thermistor, which is a feedback resistor for the op-amp, as 417.27 ohms. So I substitute the values in the equation below equation to calculate the offset, which is nothing but base current. Base current is the average of the two base currents, which is 2 microamperes plus 5 microamperes by 2 into the feedback resistor, which we have calculated as 417.27. So on substituting, I get the output voltage as offset voltage as 1.46 millivolts. So it is 1.46 millivolts, which is the offset voltage at 27 degrees centigrade.